Hello guys, this video is for just educational purpose only. We are not your financial advisor. You can do your proper research on the platform. Link in my video description too. So warm welcome to Rubytechverse YouTube channel, and today I am going to demonstrate detail about a project Goodlucky. This is also where you can create your account using your email or creating your wallet and strong password. And yes, this can also be very useful for you. Next, you can also get your 3 mode, like there are different type. How you are going to join this platform, and you can easily explore your different choice. You can also deposit withdrawal on one click. Your profile will be handled through your app. Link in video description. You can easily go ahead to explore it. You can also invite your friends. This can be helpful for you. And yes, here you can also get more reward when your team will join, and you can do your complete task. You can follow them on the social media link like Twitter, Telegram. So this is also where you can get all the updates on the time. So start your journey now. What are you thinking about? I am going to share this link to my friends so they can easily join. Thanks for watching.